So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how much money I made in one day of driving for Uber. And if you guys are watching this at a later date, by the time I'm filming this this was during the coronavirus pandemic. So yeah, driving for Uber right now is totally different than it used to be. I've been driving for Uber and Lyft for around 2 years now, and I actually haven't driven, well, besides the other day was my first day back, I hadn't driven in a couple of months because I stopped driving in order to keep myself, my family, and my friends safe and healthy. I'm trying to protect the people around me, so I decided not to go out and drive for Uber and just rely on other sources of income that I have. So with that being said, I had been really itching to get back into driving for Uber because, you know, I run this channel, the Rideshare Hub, and I feel like a little weird not going out and driving Uber and Lyft all the time because, you know, if I'm talking about the Uber and Lyft apps, the Uber and Lyft apps, if I'm talking about gig apps and stuff, I should be out like doing rides and stuff. So I, on Sunday, today is what? Tuesday or Wednesday? Today's Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. On Sunday, I went and did Postmates. On Monday, I did Uber. Yesterday, I didn't do anything. Today, I might go out and do Postmates. Tomorrow, I'm filming for TikTok, which is my other business. And then on Friday, I'm doing Postmates again. I'm actually collabing with a YouTuber. I should be collabing with Reyes, the entrepreneur, if you know who he is. Shout out to Reyes. He's awesome. Him and I are going to be doing Postmates together. But yeah, so I'm super excited about that. But today I just want to, keep in mind, these are not crazy huge earnings. This is just my first day back. I want to keep you guys up to date with what I'm doing and how I'm, you know, handling all this stuff. This is a really weird time that we're in, and I feel like it's good to be transparent. So I already filmed a whole 20-minute vlog of me going out and doing Uber, but a lot of people didn't want to watch the whole thing. They just want to see my earnings. So for you guys, I wanted to make this video for you guys. So here we go. I'm going to now get into the earnings portion of this video. All right, so now I'm going to sync up my phone and go over my earnings from my first day of driving Uber. Actually, shout out to what's his name? Pretty Cool Guy TV. He said he would give me $100 if I showed my Uber profile. So pay up, buddy. Here we go. Here's my Uber profile. And I'm just going to go over into my earnings. Watch video. How to wear a face cover mask. Oh my gosh. They're literally, bruh, they're telling you how to wear a face cover now? Hi there, in this lesson you will, bruh. Have a cookie. We use cookies to make your experience even more awesome. Okay, what will I learn? How to properly... Bro, they're literally telling people how to wear a face mask now? Okay, whatever. Okay, so here we go. This is my earnings for the week so far. I have $14.22. Someone left me a tip. Yes, I got $1 tip, buddy. Yes. Bro, that actually came in like a day late. $5.32. Okay, so these are my 3 rides that I did. I feel so bad for like this, so anticlimactic, but like, guys, literally this is my first time driving. I want to take it slow, and also I have asthma. I even show you my inhaler, so you guys know I'm not lying. If I have it, where's my inhaler? Uh-oh, I don't know where my inhaler is, but hopefully it's at my house. Okay, but anyways, yeah, I have asthma, and I've been wearing, I didn't know how it was gonna go. I did Postmates the other day. I can show you my Postmates. Here we go, where's my Postmates? I did Postmates the other day, and let's actually see if I got any more tips. Oh, wait, how do I go? Let's see, I did, oh wait, I think I gotta go here and then go down, right? Delivery, so I got one $4 tip, and then this person, this $3.89 one tipped me $5. I did Postmates the other day, and it was fine. Totally fine with the mask thing. No problem at all. Just put the mask on for a second while you pick up the food, and that's it. Obviously a little annoying, but nothing to be crazy about. Driving Uber, however, driving around with passengers wearing a face mask, for me it's hard to breathe. My glasses were fogging up. I only did 3 rides. I did for, you know, about an hour and a half, and I made $14.22. How we calculate stats. One interesting thing, which I'm going to try out next time I go online, is I'm going to set my rates up here. So Uber now has launched this fare multiplier. I can set my rates up. I'm gonna probably try to set it to like 3 or something. I don't know. If you guys are doing the rate fare multiplier, let me know, because yeah, I want to try to do that. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys my earnings. I'm gonna try to do a few more rides this week, but yeah, on Monday I went out. These my 3 rides. The first one, $4. I picked somebody up from Smart and Final. She put her stuff in my back. I took her to her house. Pretty simple. The next one was a restaurant worker. Picked her up, took her home. The last guy, oh yeah, this was a dude. We were talking about like concerts and stuff and like music. And honestly, it was a little bit hard, I have to say, talking during the ride now with the mask on and stuff, and just hard to breathe, and I'm like talking the whole time. If you don't have asthma and you know, don't struggle wearing a mask, you can't relate. But if you do have asthma, you could definitely relate. It's like much more difficult to breathe with the mask on. Especially when you're like driving around too and trying to worry about your glasses getting fogged up. So yeah, that's all it is. That's my earnings for my first day back of driving for Uber. I just want to share this with you guys, so you know, yeah, use the link down below for Get Upside to get cash back on your gas. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.